Thursday mga mares, stress-free and carefree na sinalubong ni House of Lies star Beauty Gonzalez ang bagong taon. Ngayong 2026, quality time with the family ang inuna niya at pinipiling maging masaya sa bawat araw. Hindi niya rin siyempre pinalampas ang pag-travel sa iba't ibang bansa. Gaya last year, nagpakadulubhasa sa yoga si Beauty abroad para ma-distress ang kanyang mind and body. Ngayon, isa na siyang certified yoga teacher.
I went to India, in Rishikesh, alone for a month.
Alone?
Yeah,
How was the experience?
good. It was healed. Like I do my laundry. I eat. I was eating vegetarian for a month. I do yoga 3 times a day. They teach us meditation. I enjoyed it and I was healed and I'm a certified yoga teacher now.
Bibida si Beauty sa Afternoon Prime series House of Lies na mapapanood na simula January 19 sa GMA.
Ito ang bahay na pinapangarap.
Kakaibang Jillian Ward at David Licao Corao ang mapapanood sa upcoming Kapuso action drama series na Never Say Die. From sweet at dramatic roles, dapat abangan ang maaksyong mga eksena ng dalawa sa serye. Si Jillian gaganap na taekwondo artist at sumailalim pa sa ilang buwang martial arts training. Happy siya na nagagamit na niya rin ang kanyang mga napag-aralan sa firing. News vlogger naman ng role ni David na mapapasabak din sa bakbakan. Grateful din siya na naging madali ang warm-up niya with the cast.
Takes a while for me to, like warm up around people, di ba? Pero with si Jillian, Rahil, Jisoo, Richard Yap, and everyone else, talagang I feel na it's very light lang. Alam mo yun, na hindi ko kailangan na parang don't have to think too much, right? So, yeah. So, nag-enjoy lang kami.
Nung 2024 po, na-try ko na pong mag-firing. I'm happy na nagagamit ko din po siya sa pagiging artista ko.